Sam here, another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, and today I'm going to give you a Facebook ad secret. And as you see here, we've got my beautiful rendition of a Facebook ad. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, looks pretty much the same. You've got your logo at the top or the name of your page, and it says sponsored somewhere. There's the headline, beautiful picture of a house, probably, link, text and description there, and then your blurb underneath. So what's the secret? The secret is don't put your text on the image. Now, there's a very important reason why not to put your text on the image, because if you do put text on the image, Facebook won't show it to anybody. Now, the actual rule is it needs to have less than 20% text on an image, which is probably you kind of writing, let's say, in that bit of a section there, or a headline across the middle of it. But in actual fact, Facebook doesn't like it at all. So if you don't put it on at all, Facebook will show your ad to more people, which will make your ad cheaper. Why does Facebook want to do this? Why does it want to stop you putting your beautifully written text over the top of an image? Because it wants your advert not to look like an advert in the newsfeed, and that is good news to you. Because if it looks like just an ordinary post in the newsfeed from a friend, then Facebook is much more likely to approve it, to show it to more people, it'll be cheaper, and then the results will be more cost effective for you. So there you go, there's your Facebook ad secret. Don't put your text on your image in your ads. See you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday. Bye for now.